this house, Mother?
It's really the only home you've ever known. Oh, except Egypt. Do you remember Egypt?
A little.
Do you remember the bird? Oh, well, you were playing one day with some of your friends.
We killed it!
Why? How?
We were just playing, but we hit it with a stone. I don't want it to be dead.
Oh, my sweet boy. Death comes to everything. All things must die. All things of this earth.
No!
I was worried the authorities would hear of it. Your father said the bird was just stunned, but I was so frightened.